Professor, we hear the term minimum support price a lot these days. What is it, and why is it required?
Minimum support price (MSP) is the minimum guaranteed price at which government promises the farmers to buy their produce if there is a sharp fall in the market prices of that produce. The MSP of 22 agricultural crops is announced by the Government of India at the beginning of the sowing season on the basis of the recommendations of the Commission for Agricultural Costs and Prices. To protect the interest of farmers, the MSP of a crop is kept at least 1.5 times of its cost of production.
Which factors impact the setting of MSP?
CACP recommends price policy of various commodities under its mandate on the basis of following factors. 1. Demand and supply. 2. Cost of production. 3. Price trends in the market, both domestic and international. 4. Inter-crop price parity. 5. Terms of trade between agriculture and non-agriculture. 6. A minimum of 50% as the margin over cost of production. 7. Likely implications of MSP on consumers of that product.
Thanks, Professor. This was interesting.